Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Teams, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in teams.microsoft.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, you will see the Microsoft Teams login screen. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. If you want to stay signed in, check the box next to Keep Me Signed In. Once you've input your password, click the Sign In button. If you've enabled two-step verification, you will receive a code. Enter the code you received to verify your identity. After successfully signing in, you will be taken to the Microsoft Teams homepage. From here, you can access your chats, Teams, and calendar. If you're using the desktop app, open the app instead of a web browser. On the app welcome screen, enter your email address and click Sign In. Fill in your password when prompted and click Sign In again. You may also encounter the same two-step verification process. Once completed, you will have full access to Microsoft Teams. Congratulations, you are now logged into Microsoft Teams and ready to collaborate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.